Salmon is the most valuable and the most eaten fish in America. People love salmon for its rich, buttery flavor, delicate texture, its versatility, and the high content of omega-3 fatty acids. But whether you like your salmon broiled, grilled, seared, smoked, or in the raw, there are a few helpful tips that will help take your next cook to a new level.
Welcome to Smokin' Ass Barbecue.
Let's get started by talking a minute about salmon. There are many different kinds, but only two that are most available at your retail stores. There's wild caught, usually referred to as Alaska or sockeye salmon, and there's farm raised, usually referred to as Atlantic salmon. As you can see in the picture, the wild caught has a much deeper and brighter color. It's also a little harder to find and a bit more expensive. Quite often, the farm-raised salmon has color added, either through processing or feeding, so it appears more like the wild caught. Another important difference is farm-raised salmon has considerably more fat content than wild salmon. This is because the wild salmon spend their lives swimming and hunting, while farm-raised salmon are much less active and are fed daily. This extra fat can make a big difference in how forgiving it is if slightly overcooked. This temperature chart gives some basic guidelines for doneness levels. Rare is 120 degrees, medium rare is 125 degrees, medium 130 degrees, medium well 135 degrees, and well done 140. Always carefully check your fish for any pin bones that weren't removed. These can be removed with your fingers or tweezers. Running the edge of a knife against the grain will help expose the pin bones. A big problem some people have with salmon is the white, gooey-looking stuff that oozes out while you're cooking it. One of the big myths about salmon is that this is fat running out, and it's not at all fat. This is a protein called albumin. It's present in all meats, including humans. In its natural state, albumin is clear, but it develops its white color as it heats up. This happens around 140 degrees. And one of the most common forms of this protein is the clear liquid you see when you crack an egg open. When you cook an egg, the albumin changes color. This is what ends up as the egg white. Another big misleading statement that's often told by so-called experts is that since the albumin turns white around 140 degrees, it's a sure indicator that your salmon has reached an internal temperature of 140 degrees. Actually, the reason the albumin is turning white when it comes to the surface is because it's coming in contact with the air inside your smoker. The inside of your fish might still be well below done, but the hot air in the smoker causes the albumin to turn white as it comes out. Same way as it when your egg hits the frying pan. This myth has caused many backyard pitmasters to mistake their fish being done by judging its temperature on the albumin showing up. And always remember, your salmon can go from love to hate in a matter of seconds. So always keep a close eye on the time and temperature. And now that you know all there is to know about buying, preparing, and cooking this amazing fish, you too will soon be known as the King of Salmon. There's a full video about how to smoke salmon on our YouTube channel, Smokin' Ass Barbecue. So y'all give this delicious and healthy meal a try, because I guarantee you'll like it.
Thanks for stopping by. See y'all soon.